Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. No tacos here today though. Not today. Last night I prepared kielbasa potato soup. Fantastic. After I casual chefed it, needed some herbs to it. I added very, very carefully and very little amounts, 5 different herbs to the soup. Robin thought it was wonderful. Again, she, when she loves something, she immediately goes, this goes on the repeat list once I start repeating recipes. As you know, I have not repeated a major recipe in over 7 months, and I'm continuing building the library for the cookbook that will come out next spring. This morning, I'm preparing for chocolate cheesecake. I made soup yesterday. Leftovers tonight, so I'm baking today. Plus, I had a very busy day yesterday. It was one conversation after another with clients and media people, my folks, and something else I'll get to, after in a little bit. But yesterday was just a draining day for me. I went to the doctor. Nothing bad, nothing critical. It was just an annual thing so I can get some medications renewed. I found out I've lost a lot of weight. It's called good cooking. All right, chocolate cheesecake. So let's get to it. I actually thought about doing a chocolate cheesecake a few weeks ago, but I couldn't find this pan. It was blending in with the Bundt pan Robin and I own. They're the same color and they were nestled in with each other. Okay. So the recipe is very simple. It's a very basic cheesecake, except for it's chocolate. It's going to have an Oreo crust, Philadelphia cream cheese. This is 24 ounces. To add the chocolate, we're going to use Nestle's Toll House semi-sweet chips, 4 large eggs. I use iodine salt when I'm baking because it's finer grain. A little bit of butter for the crust. My Mexican vanilla, which I've talked about in former episodes. Some whole milk and some sugar and a little bit of flour. And that's it. So there's my recipe. And I'm getting things staged for here. So yesterday I talked about doing a prime rib video. Well, that's still happening. And yesterday afternoon, one of the many things I got done is I called Toodles Butcher Shop in Marysville, California, and ordered a 3-rib prime rib roast. I'll be picking that up this coming Monday. Obviously after the weekend. Not enough coffee yet. So that's going to happen. I'm going to film on Tuesday. A week from today, I'm going to be filming the prime rib, how to prep and prepare a prime rib. I specifically asked Toodles to leave it unseasoned, leave it untied. I'll explain all that. If you're not familiar with how to tie a prime rib, I will explain all that in the video. So it's in the works. The beef is ordered. We're good. Okay. I hope you have a great Taco Tuesday or whatever wonderful meal you have today for dinner. But eat great food and have fun cooking.